Buck got his check. He's your winner in the compact class. Everybody's running. Looking good. 69's about to get his first dent. Oh, he about did it to himself. Knocked the wall over. Holy cow. Working out. That's the second lady we've had. That's the second one that's gone over the wall. Now what's that about? I think they're picking on them. Both just about. That hurt. That hurt. Both of them got it just about in the same spot. Corey Weeks from Marysville with that nice looking JD3 truck. Good young lady there, and she got up over. Our other rookie out there, number 40. That'd be Drew Stern. He's kind of on the clock, I think. Drew not doing so good right now. Drew just takes himself out. He's not a happy guy. 2 down. The 2 rookies are down. Imagine that. 2 first-timers. Grizzled old guys out here, they don't gonna cut him any slack. Matt Schaefer, 69, Brian Russell, 128, David Freight. 89, Mike McKinney Jr. 701, Steve Keith. 36B, Lonnie Scott. M3, Mike McKinney Sr. Last one, Bo Wentz. They're all going. They're all going and looking pretty good. Matt Schaefer is doing some work out there. He just got the fan into the radiator though. I can hear it rattling. Whoa, there comes Lonnie Scott. Ho-ho! Lonnie Scott, the 36B, and that's gonna be all she wrote for Dan Franks in the 128. And Lonnie ain't moving too good now either. There he's loose. Last one. Hey, they're sandwiching the M1 there. M3 is Mike McKinney Sr. Last one is Bo Wentz. 69, Brian Russell.
Is he supposed to be doing that?
Heads up there, 128. Uh-oh. I told you. still running. 187. 187 is the guy up on the wall. I thought that was 1.8. I saw the three numbers. 324 is one that didn't mention. Lonnie is out. He put a wallop on 36 feet, and Lonnie Scott is the one that took Matt Schaefer up on the box. That is away. Last one is taking himself out. That would be Bo Wynn. Bo Wynn is out. We've still got 89. 128, Dan Frank, and 89, Frank McKinney. 4 of them, 4 in a live win.